Thank you.
Corwin, he's coming here to speak. Kevin said, what the hell possibly?
Is he doing any games this year? Oh, he did retire.
Come above the pay.
Kids growing up in the heartland.
Gotta give it up.
Jackie gonna be a football star. Diane's debutante backseat of Jackie's car. Sucking on chili dog outside the taste freeze. Diane sitting on Jackie's lap, got his hands between her knees. Jackie say, hey Diane, let's run off behind the shade of trees. Dribble off those Bobby Brooks, let me do what I please. Say, oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Say, oh yeah.
Who was on the cruise this year?
We had the Open. Yeah. Alex Wilson.
Sal, isn't it? Yeah, Sal Sanchez or something?
Solomon.
Hernandez.
That and on the D, Saldivar.
Jose Fernandez. This guy who's down here.
Yeah.
So,
I'll let him explain that to you.
you hear about that? They put the Commerce Park.
So the principal got up, walked over there, told the guy, you got to leave. Cleared.
It's been a long time since I worked here.
You know, he's very good. But the problem is that respond. He said, oh man, relax. But the principal for Garfield, I mean, I gotta say, this year, really? Well, the typical suspect. How'd you guess?
I was wondering, I thought,
No. I have to put a batter there, and they're supposed to stand it down. And all of them are ganged up there. I said, Billy, tell them to clear that out. He says, okay. Went over there, cleared it out. Very next batter, they're all back there again. I said, Billy. And he actually went over to else.
It's a big turnover already on coaches.
they still at Roseville. Is
Brian.
What's his,
Oh yeah, he's not going there.
when I was still there, he left.
well, you can see how long I haven't had Mark.
That's too close to the house.
Yeah, too close to the house.
Well, I told the league commissioners, I says, you know what? With the price again, I says, but I see him 4 or 5 times. Yeah, he's got what, 3, 4 years to go before he can retire. He can't. I know she's in real estate. I know she's in the entertainment. She's a. Told him, Mike.
I think they were offering like a good payout. Well, she kind of didn't take it, and she stayed another year. Well, she got no, she retired a year early, and something didn't get the benefit.
He says that in itself is worth.
Yeah.
Yep. So he wants. He's sticking around.
I mean, if he's still.
Just kind of look at it like. The one who eats that mannequin. God damn it. That rascal.
Yeah, well,
Kevin
Kevin
Oh,
Brockwell.
Kevin. Okay.
Brock. I call him
Yeah,
Brock.
that's why.
Well, you know,
Try to get back in Venice or something.
no, Armando is on paid administration leave, collecting big money. Let's put it this way. He'll push the envelope.
Dude,